Ever felt that knot of anxiety in your stomach when you think about where your hard-earned cryptocurrency is stored? You're not alone. In the wild west of digital finance, security isn't just a feature, it's the bedrock. And when you're choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, the question of safety isn't just important, it's paramount. Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison of two industry titans, Kraken and Gemini. Both platforms boast robust security measures, but in the intricate world of cybersecurity, the devil is often in the details. Which one truly offers a safer haven for your digital assets? That's the million-dollar question we're going to dissect today. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Cryptocurrency exchanges are prime targets for cyber attacks. They hold vast amounts of valuable digital assets, making them irresistible to hackers and malicious actors. Over the years, we've seen numerous high-profile exchange hacks, resulting in the loss of millions, sometimes billions, of dollars worth of cryptocurrency. These incidents underscore the critical importance of choosing a platform with a strong security posture. Kraken and Gemini have both established themselves as reputable players in the cryptocurrency space, each with its own approach to security. Kraken, founded in 2011, is one of the oldest and most established exchanges, known for its wide range of trading options and features. Gemini, launched in 2014 by the Winklevoss twins, has cultivated a reputation for its strong focus on regulation and security, often appealing to more institutional and compliance-conscious users. So, how do these two giants stack up when it comes to keeping your crypto safe? Let's break down their security measures across several key areas. First, let's talk about regulatory compliance. This might not be the most glamorous aspect of security, but it's foundational. Operating within a clear regulatory framework often compels exchanges to adhere to higher standards of security and transparency. Gemini, from its inception, has placed a strong emphasis on regulatory compliance. They operate under the supervision of the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYDFS, a stringent regulatory body. This oversight requires Gemini to meet specific capital reserve requirements, implement robust KYC, know your customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, procedures, and adhere to strict cybersecurity protocols. This regulatory scrutiny provides an extra layer of assurance for users. Kraken, while also operating in compliance with the regulations of the jurisdictions in which it operates, has a more global reach and thus navigates a more complex web of international regulations. While they have obtained licenses and registrations in various jurisdictions, their regulatory landscape is arguably more diverse than Gemini's focused approach under the NYDFS. This isn't necessarily a weakness, but the concentrated regulatory oversight of Gemini can be seen as a distinct advantage in terms of consistent and rigorous security standards. Next up, custody of funds. How do these exchanges actually hold your cryptocurrency? The industry best practice for security is cold storage, keeping the majority of digital assets offline, disconnected from the internet, and thus significantly less vulnerable to hacking attempts. Both Kraken and Gemini employ cold storage for the vast majority of their users' funds. This is a crucial security measure that significantly mitigates the risk of large-scale theft. However, the specifics of their cold storage solutions can differ. While both emphasize multi-signature wallets and geographically distributed storage to prevent single points of failure, the exact details of their implementation are often proprietary for security reasons. Gemini, given its regulatory focus, often highlights its institutional-grade custody solutions, which are designed to meet the stringent requirements of professional investors. Kraken also has a strong track record in this area, having weathered numerous market cycles and security threats without any major incidents involving the loss of customer funds due to hacking. Beyond cold storage, let's consider platform security. This encompasses the measures taken to protect the exchange's online infrastructure from cyber attacks. Both Kraken and Gemini utilize a range of industry-standard security practices, including two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a second verification step beyond your password, typically a code generated by an authenticator app or sent via SMS. Both platforms strongly encourage and support various 2FA methods. Encryption. Both exchanges use robust encryption protocols to protect sensitive data, both in transit, when data is being sent between your device and their servers, and at rest, when data is stored on their servers. This makes it significantly harder for malicious actors to intercept or access your personal and financial information. Regular security audits. Independent third-party security firms regularly audit both Kraken and Gemini to assess the effectiveness of their security controls and identify potential vulnerabilities. These audits provide an external validation of their security posture. Vulnerability disclosure programs. Both platforms have programs that encourage security researchers to report any vulnerabilities they find in their systems, allowing them to be addressed proactively. Advanced monitoring and intrusion detection systems. Both exchanges employ sophisticated systems to monitor their platforms for suspicious activity and detect and respond to potential security threats in real time. While both platforms implement these essential security measures, the emphasis and specific technologies they employ might differ. Gemini, with its focus on institutional clients, often highlights the sophistication of its multi-layered security architecture and its partnerships with leading cybersecurity firms. Kraken, with its longer history, has also built a robust security infrastructure that has stood the test of time. Now, let's talk about account security features available to individual users. While the exchange's internal security is crucial, the security of your individual account also plays a significant role in protecting your assets. Both Kraken and Gemini offer a range of features to help you secure your account, including strong password requirements. Both platforms enforce the use of strong, unique passwords to prevent unauthorized access. Whitelisting. This feature allows you to restrict withdrawals to only a pre-approved list of cryptocurrency addresses, adding an extra layer of protection against unauthorized withdrawals. Both Kraken and Gemini offer whitelisting capabilities. Account activity monitoring and alerts. Both platforms provide tools for you to monitor your account activity and set up alerts for suspicious behavior. Advanced 2FA options. Beyond SMS-based 2FA, both often support more secure options like authenticator apps, e.g., Google Authenticator, Authy, and hardware security keys, e.g., YubiKey. Hardware security keys are generally considered the most secure form of 2FA as they are resistant to phishing attacks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.